Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Binance to PayPal. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. As you can see right now, I'm on Binance website and I'm logged into my Binance account. You should know that there is no direct way to transfer money from here into PayPal. So what you should do is get the help from a third-party website called bestchange.com, as you can see. But before that, you're going to need to go back to Binance, and then what you want to do from here is to click onto the wallet icon up here and then select the second option which says Spot. Now from here, you want to scroll down a little bit and then choose whatever cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, I'm going to choose USDT. And I'll have to go back to BestChange's website and then take a look at your left-hand side of the screen and click onto the gift box and type in your chosen currency. And then I'm gonna choose the first option up here. Then I'm gonna type in PayPal on this side. As you can see, we have US dollars, euros, etc. I'm gonna choose dollars. By doing this, you will get a list of exchanges, and each exchange has a minimum that you can convert. So I'm gonna choose the first option, for example, but you can choose whichever suits you in terms of commission. Now from here, you wanna enter the amount of USDT you wanna transfer. I'm gonna type in 100, and it's gonna calculate the amount of US dollars you will receive, which is in this case $102. Then go down here and click onto the blue tab that says next. And from here, you want to enter the destination PayPal account. And down here, you want to enter your email address and then click onto the blue next button. Now it says to read our additional information, click on view and check button below. So we're going to need to give it a click here, and then we'll have to agree on terms of service. So I'm just going to tag this box here and then go down here and click onto the blue tab that says confirm. And now from here, you want to scroll down until you spot the wallet address, copy it to your clipboard by clicking onto the copy icon next to it, and then go back to Binance Wallet and then look for USDT. And once you find it, click onto the three dots next to it, and after that, go ahead and select withdraw, as you can see. Now, what you want to do here is to paste in the wallet address you just copied earlier, and then select the withdrawal network that you want to work with. I'm just gonna choose BSC. Then down here, you want to insert the withdraw amount, which was in this case 100. Now all you have to do is to click onto the yellow withdraw tab down here if you got your funds available. As you can see, for this exchange, they're asking for a screenshot of the transaction. So make sure to take a screenshot and send it. Note that not all the exchanges require sending a screenshot. It depends on the exchange you choose to work with. Once you do, they will confirm that and then send you the amount you asked for to your PayPal account. So that's it. That's how to withdraw money from Binance to PayPal. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.